When my wife Sonali and I landed in Canada in 2022, we were starting from zero. New city, new jobs, and even figuring out where to buy groceries. But once our income stabilized, we hit a big question. What do we do with our extra cash? Should we save for a home, invest in an RRSP, max out the TFSA, or pay down debt? If you're asking yourself the same thing today, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing a proven plan to prioritize your money in Canada so you can build wealth, save smart, and avoid costly mistakes. Let's dive in. Before you dream of home ownership, investments, or paying off debt, you need a safety net. Save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high interest savings account or HISA. This is your financial airbag. Without it, a sudden job loss, car repair, or a medical bill could push you into credit card debt, derailing years of progress. Think of this fund as your shield against panic. It's the foundation for all your financial goals. Once your emergency fund is solid, look for free money. If your employer offers an RRSP match or pension contribution, take it immediately. This is essentially a bonus you won't find anywhere else, not even in the stock market. A 50% or 100% match is a guaranteed return that's too good to pass up. By securing this, you're setting yourself up for success. Next, tackle any high interest debt, like credit card balances charging 19% or more. Paying these off is like earning a guaranteed 19% return. Now, if buying a home is your goal, then now's the time to focus on saving for that down payment. Stash this money in a high interest savings account to keep it safe and growing while you work towards that 5 to 20% down payment. This step is all about balancing your dream of home ownership with smart savings so you're ready when the right property comes along. With your down payment savings on track, it's time to supercharge your wealth with a TFSA account. This is your growth engine because all your gains are tax-free. The annual contribution limit for 2025 is $7,000, and if someone's been eligible since TFSA started in 2009 and haven't contributed the max every year, your total unused room could be up to $102,000. You can check your exact contribution room right on your notice of assessment from your tax return. It's that simple to track. Now imagine the power of TFSA. Say you invest $10,000 in a diversified ETF portfolio inside your TFSA. If it doubles to $20,000 over 7 years through smart compounding, that entire $10,000 gain is yours tax-free. No CRA cut, no capital gains tax eating into your profit. Whether you're buying ETFs, stocks, or bonds, the TFSA lets your money work harder and longer, making it the cornerstone for anyone serious about long-term wealth. After your TFSA, turn to your RRSP. It's less flexible but a fantastic tax strategy. Contributions lower your taxable income, which can save you thousands, especially if you're in a high tax bracket. If you're saving for a home, the RRSP's Home Buyers Plan lets you borrow up to $35,000 tax-free for your down payment, which ties this step back to your home ownership goals. In retirement, you'll pay taxes on withdrawals, but ideally at a lower rate. A smart move is to use your RRSP tax refund to boost your TFSA or down payment savings, stacking benefits for faster progress. Once you've nailed the basics, emergency fund, free money, debt, down payment savings, TFSA, and RRSP, it's time to think bigger. Explore taxable investment accounts, more real estate, or even a side hustle. This is where you shift from saving smart to actively building serious wealth. You're no longer just protecting your future, you're now shaping it. So here's the real priority order. Protect yourself with an emergency fund, grab free money, crush expensive debt, fuel your TFSA, use RRSP strategically, and then go beyond into advanced investing. And that's exactly what this channel is about, helping you navigate Canadian real estate, the US stock market, finance, so you can grow your wealth and take control of your future. If that's the journey you're on, hit subscribe and click the bell icon to stay connected. Let's keep building together.